Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find shared project in Canva using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Canva app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, look at the bottom menu and tap Projects or Your Design, depending on your versions of the app. This is where all your Canva design are stored. Look for a tab or filter called Share with your team. Tap at the top on all projects. From here, tap on Share with you. Now you will see all the projects that other people have shared with you. Tap on any project you open it. You can now edit, view or comment depending on the permissions the owner gave you. If you have many shared projects, tap the search bar at the top. Type the project name or the person's name to quickly find the design. You can also check under Teams if you are part of a Canva team workspace. All team shared projects are stored here for easy access. And that's all. That's how you find the shared project in Canva on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.